single best determinations of their success or failure. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how my clients are using IG and Facebook stories to generate $10,000 per month with their online fitness business. What's up, online personal trainers? My name is Eric Anthony Klima, and I help personal trainers start their online fitness business and hit $10,000 per month. 6 years ago, I was a personal trainer struggling at LA Fitness until I learned how to do online fitness coaching, and some of that stuff I'm going to walk you through today. First, let's discuss why having call to actions is extremely important. By including a clear and concise call to action, provide your audience with the necessary guidance and the next steps to easily engage and take next steps to work with you. Without effective call to action, it's going to be challenging for your audience to know how to take action and take next steps with your business. A strong call to action eliminates any confusion and encourages your audience to follow through, increasing the chances of your conversions. In addition, using a well-crafted call to action can help overcome decision fatigue, especially when dealing with multiple links or options. Instead of overwhelming your audience with a variety of choices, a strategically placed call to action streamlines your process, making it easier for them to make a decision and take the next desired action. An example of this is I see a lot of online personal trainers using link trees. Any extra step that you add to your sales process is just making it more challenging for them to pay you. A good call to action is crucial for providing clarity, minimizing confusion, and ultimately driving conversions. The first way that you can get clients on your IG stories is with engagement call to action. By encouraging your audience to engage with your stories, it allows for Instagram to show your stories to more of your followers. This is particularly really important for Instagram, where the algorithm rewards accounts that generate higher engagement by showcasing their content to more users. By keeping users locked in through likes, comments, and shares, that ultimately grows your audience organically. My favorite and most effective way to get your audience to engage with your stories is to vote. You can do the little swipe things, or you can get them to do a little fire emoji. This simple instruction not only prompts more engagement, but also serves as a quick and easy way for your audience to show appreciation. By fostering engagement, you build a community around your brand and create opportunities for viral reach. So remember, leveraging engagement CTAs can be a game changer for your business, growing your audience and expanding your brand's reach. Number 2 is a direct call to action. The goal of a direct CTA is to prompt your audience to take next steps and express interest in your program or service. The ultimate objective is to get them on the phone or in a conversation where you can effectively sell to them. An example of a direct CTA can be instructing your audience to DM you a keyword for info on your program. This straightforward and actionable CTA invites individuals who are genuinely interested in your offerings to reach out, allowing you to initiate a conversation and guide them further through the sales process. By using a direct CTA, you can effectively identify qualified leads and nurture them through the conversations. Stories can be one of the most powerful ways to generate leads and sales for your business, especially when utilized with platforms that heavily rely on using their stories, such as Instagram and Facebook. Research shows that a significant amount of traffic comes through the stories, even more so than the feed. When using stories, it's essential to craft narratives that take your audience on a journey, addressing their pain points and offering solutions. Here's an example of how you can structure your story sequence. The first story sets the stage by highlighting a common pain or a challenge that your audience may be facing. This helps establish a relatable and empathetic connection. So sharing a personal experience or showcasing testimonials from others who have experienced the same exact struggle. This builds a sense of trust and understanding. Third story unveils the solution to that pain or problem. Highlight the steps or the strategies you implemented to achieve that success and overcome those pains. This positions you as an authority and demonstrates your expertise. The fourth story empathizes the positive outcome that can be achieved by implementing the solution. So paint a vivid picture of the benefits, transformations, or results that your ideal customer can experience. Conclude this story with a clear and compelling call to action. By structuring your storytelling sequence, you engage your audience emotionally, offer a relatable solution, and create a sense of urgency through your call to action. A well-crafted, direct call to action can be a powerful tool for driving engagement and securing sales opportunities. When selling using stories, it's crucial to meet your audience where their pain points are, guide them through a compelling narrative, and present a clear path to the desired outcome. So now you're gonna make all this money from having great call to action. That's great and all, but you probably wanna make more. Subscribe so you don't miss my next video, because I'm gonna show you the best way to run ads as an online fitness coach.